personal account, real account, and nominal account. You need to really start studying what is a personal account, what is a real account, what is a nominal account, and everything. So with this diagram depiction, you will understand whether are you clear with my concept? Yeah. Now we are starting our session of journal, ledger, and trial balance. From here you will get to know all the particular aspects. Personal account is my account, my company. Yeah, I'm a person. Yeah, as a person, my individual name. Personal account is divided into three particular types: natural person, artificial person, representative person. Yeah. So what is a natural person? Natural person is nothing but like Ram's account, Shyam's account, Sohan's account. For proprietor's account, supplier's account, receiver's account, all these are natural accounts. Accounts in the name of a natural person are called natural person's account. Artificial person or body of a person is nothing but Maruti Udyog account, State Bank of India account. That is called as a artificial account. Kindly start noting things. Gopal Das firm account, Sports Club of New Delhi account. All these are called as artificial or body person's account. Nothing but any limited company's account. Yeah, Reliance, Maruti Udyog, all these are the particular concept. Representative account is nothing but salary account, say interest outstanding account, rent account, interest prepaid account, unearned commission account. All those are particular complete heads of salary account, representative account. So these are the three particular types of accounts with related to personal account. Are you clear with my explanation? I have not read the whole paragraph. Are you clear with this particular aspect? If you are clear only, I can go ahead with my next. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All the
ma'am.
35 or 40 students who are non-accounting are clear with this? The 35 students, right? 35 students,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you clear with what it is? Who's that? Gave one thumbs up. Yeah, JS. Who's JS? JS, who's JS? Can I have your name?
Jay Ganesh Karthi, yes.
You're a non-accountant, Jay Ganesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you clear? Personal account means three particular things: natural account, representative account, and what is the third one?
Ma'am.
Artificial.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Tell me. Somebody said, ma'am.
Can you repeat once again, ma'am?
Who's this? Puvita?
Yes, ma'am. My network is not proper, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Puvita. Nothing I said. Now I'm getting into the journal, ledger, and trial balance. What I have given in the PDF is about talking about journal, ledger, and personal account. We are having three divisions, three golden rules: personal account, real account, and nominal account. In journal, this is the three golden rules of our transactions when we start. Yeah, this is the three headings. Personal account is divided into three particular divisions: natural person account, artificial person and body of person account, and representative person account. Natural person means, what is natural person? Ram's account, Shyam's account, proprietor's account, Sohan's account, all that. A name which is creating a natural person. Artificial person is a company's account: State Bank of India, Maruti Udyog account, LIC Limited, Reliance Limited, Sports Club of New Delhi account, Gopal Das firm account. All this is called an artificial person's account. Representative account is nothing but a salary account, outstanding account, a rent outstanding account, prepaid account, interest outstanding account, all that, unearned commission account, all that is coming under representative account. Have you understood that now, Puvita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Yeah. I will be sharing
Yes,
this
ma'am.
article. You just go through. I'm not going to take the complete class on the thing. I'll give you time to read
Yes,
it
ma'am.
with the examples I have given you in this diagram. So please read it. If you are having a doubt, we can have a general discussion. We have a WhatsApp group. We can really discuss. Yeah. The next thing is,
Yes,
next
ma'am.
particular golden rule is real account. Kindly listen, all the 45 students or of non-accounting students, please give a look at it. Real account is nothing but, what do I say? What is a real account? A real account is nothing but it is an asset. Yeah, it's an asset. My chair is an asset. Yeah, my furniture is an asset. My table is an asset. Yeah, what I have right now, my phone is my asset. Yeah, that's a real aspect. Yeah, so land, building, furniture, plant and machinery, cash, stock, all are my real accounts. In real account, there are two particular divisions: tangible real account and intangible real account. Are you all listening? Tangible is something I can feel. What I can feel my cell phone, I can feel myself. Yeah, I can feel anything, any particular thing. Land, building, plant and machinery, cash, stock, all this I can be touched and felt. Yeah, intangible is something which I cannot feel it. I cannot feel the patents. I cannot feel the trademarks. I cannot feel the goodwill. Are you getting it? A non-monetary, which I cannot touch and I can say, this is what it is. Are you getting my concept? All the 35 or 45 or 70 students? What I'm trying to tell you? Real account means, what is real account? Yes?
It's an asset, ma'am.
Yes, real account is an
Yes, ma'am.
asset. There are two types of an asset: tangible asset, intangible asset. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Tangible asset is nothing but land, building, machinery, cash, stock. Cash I can feel. Intangible, which I cannot feel. Yeah. So those are the particular aspect. The next one, the last and final thing is nominal account, fixatious account, expenses and losses, incomes and gains. Yeah. That's called as a fixatious account. What are the fixatious account are? Salary account, wages account, commission account, discount account, insurance premium account. All these are called as a nominal account, comes under a nominal account, under expenses and losses, under incomes and gains. Yeah. So the salary account, sometimes it's an income. Yeah. So expenses are nothing but discount, commission, yeah, interest. Rent is an expense for us as an individual. Salary is an income for us. But for the employer, it is a expense. It is an expense. Am I right? For us as an individual, it is a income. But for the employer, it is an expense. Same way, wages account, again, it is an expense. For the employer as an individual, it is a income. Discount is something which is been given. Sometimes it is an under the any particular product or any particular aspect, we are giving a discount and we are making, we of course, what does a shopkeeper does? How does they give the discount? They will rate the amount of a particular garment or a particular value of a goods. They will make sure that it has been sold in a normal for rent has 200 mins. They will make it for 350 rupees and give you a 50 rupees discount. Yeah, 350 means 300 rupees. Yeah, so that's how they make the aspect of a discount. Yeah, commission, giving a commission, bank is giving you many aspects of commissions and loans and other things where we really try to do it. Rent account, interest account. Are you getting a picture what is a nominal account right now? I've given too many explanations, so it's confusions. So I do not want to make you more clear. Are you clear with what is nominal account?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now go for this diagram. You should understand. Account, personal account, impersonal account. Natural person account, artificial person account, representative account. Nominal account, real account. Nominal account is nothing but expenses, incomes. Real account, tangible, intangible, which I can feel, which I cannot feel. Representative, rent outstanding, rent prepaid, unexpired. Artificial person account, Reliance, Udyog. Natural person, Ram, Mohan, Sohan. Any name here, X, Y, Z. Yeah. All these are my diagrammatical representation. This is my own diagram. No accounting book has got this own any diagrams. I created this diagram, guys, and I'm trying to put it on into your head so that you understand what is personal, what is real, what is nominal. Are you clear with my class for today? Are you clear with my class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am, I hope I am clear with my class and I have made you all understand 35 students who are non-accounting have understood what is a real account, personal account. Yeah, of course, Divya, I will give you this PDF. It will be uploaded. And I want you all to study that 11th standard book, which I told you to read. And please see the accounting concepts. 3 things I've given you. 3 homeworks I've given you. YouTube video, yeah, in the course plan. Second aspect is till page number 17, the textbook has to be studied. And after that, this PDF will be uploaded in another few minutes in your Microsoft team. That also has to be uploaded. Will have to be run. So kindly go through this thing and come back for a discussion. Let us have a discussion in the chat, in either WhatsApp or in the Microsoft team itself. Any doubt is there? I'll come back again for your classes. Okay, all the best. I'm stopping to record this. Now it's our